Blessed be everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a really simple spell to help you banish those negative beliefs or those limiting beliefs, the ones that are keeping you stuck and trapped and self-doubt and feelings of I'm not good enough, or I can't do something because I'm too young, or I'm too old, or I'm too this, or I'm too that. It's really important to use magic to help you in your life, and although magic's not the be-all and end-all of negative beliefs and issues and traumas, it can certainly help you if you are on that healing journey or if you're in that shadow work journey. Use the tools of magic to help you along, help those other modalities that you're using or other therapies that you might be using. Before we dive into the spell though, I'm Sandra from MysteryWitchSchool.com, author of Crafting Your Wiccan Path. If you want to know more about Wicca and witchcraft, spells, magic, shadow work and tarot, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. If you want to know where to start your witchcraft practice but you're just confused because, hey, where do I start? How do I learn all of this stuff like magic, energy work, sabbats and lunar energies? What does it all mean and how do I learn it? I have a free video called How to Start Your Witchcraft Practice. It'll show you where you can begin and how you can pace yourself along your learning journey. There's a link in the description field below this video. So for this spell, you will need a white candle, some rosemary oil, some lemon oil, and frankincense oil. So the white candle is for purification and clarity. Rosemary is for clarity and cleansing. Lemon oil is great for removing the stains in general. It's great for household stains. It's also great for those stains in the subconscious mind, which we would call limiting beliefs, so it can help banish those. And frankincense oil for its purifying aspect and also for its uplifting aspect, that spiritual aspect of frankincense oil. If you don't have those oils, that's okay. Use olive oil if you have olive oil, even if that's the only oil you have. It's a great oil to use to help purify and cleanse as well. And it's pretty easy to get hold of olive oil if you can't get hold of any of the others. You can also use herbs as well. So rosemary, for example, if you've got rosemary at home, you can chop it up and roll your candle in the rosemary instead of using the oils. And you can do the same with lemon juice as well. You can dress your candles in the lemon juice. So there's other ways that you can get past the essential oils if you don't have the essential oils. Why do you want to get rid of limiting beliefs though? Because they're the beliefs that are keeping you stuck in a mindset of not being good enough, self-doubt, not feeling confident. It can be what's keeping you stuck in situations you don't want to be stuck in, like a job you don't like to be in, or a relationship that, or relationships in general that you're not happy with. It can help you stand up for yourself because there's beliefs that are stopping you from doing that. There's a lot of limiting beliefs that I'm not good enough, I can't do this, I can't do that. And a lot of them center around the belief that it's not safe to do any of those things, or that you're just, it's not okay to be you, it's not okay. Or you're worried about what your mum's going to think or what so-and-so's going to think if you do something or become something that you want to become or do. So those limiting beliefs can really stifle you from living your full life and living your potential. They're a big part of the shadow work. They're the most common thing you're going to work with in shadow work if you're doing shadow work is those limiting beliefs. So use this spell to help you identify them, if you have identified them, to help you banish them, to help you find ways to banish them. A spell like this could lead you to a healing modality that can help you continue your shadow work journey. I'm not saying that this spell is going to banish all your limiting beliefs, because it won't. A spell won't banish your beliefs. What it will do is it'll help you become more aware of them. It can help you think of ways to change them, so it might help you become more creative in your positive reframes of those beliefs. It can help you find modalities and people who can help you with changing those beliefs. And if you do it regularly, it can help you through awareness become aware of what those beliefs are, so that when you have them, you can then just go and reframe them and change them. So it brings more of an awareness and the tools that you need to totally change those limiting beliefs. So it's very worthwhile to do as a part of shadow work or inner work, or any work that you might be doing on your psyche or the know thyself work. So we're going to cross over now to the spell. So enjoy it. It's really simple, really easy. So what I have here are my 3 oils. I have rosemary oil, I have lemon oil, and my frankincense oil. So I'm just going to place them in a little dish here, just a few little drops. We're going to dress the candle with these drops. And so that was the frankincense, and this is the lemon oil. And I'm just going to put a little drop of the lemon oil because it's very strong. And just mixing them together. And now I'm going to dress the candle. Because this is a spell to banish negative thoughts or negative beliefs, I want to take the thoughts away from the candle, or away from me. So I'm going to anoint the candle from the base of the candle all the way down to the tip of the candle. So just anointing the candle from the base all the way to the tip with the oils. And as I'm doing that, I'm thinking of those negative thoughts that I have, even the ones I haven't discovered yet, because this spell can help you discover what those thoughts are so that you can banish them using other healing modalities. And just dressing that candle and just seeing them go out. And you can put as much oil as you like onto your candle. Use all your oil up. And then when you're ready, putting it in the candle holder. If you have specific beliefs, you can write them down on a piece of paper and just put the candle or the candle holder over the piece of paper and allow the candle to burn down with the negative thoughts underneath the candle. And then once you are finished once the candle has burnt down, you can then discard the negative thoughts along with any of the spell remains. White, of course, is that color of purity. Rosemary, we know that rosemary is great for clarity and purification, so it can purify and help you get clear on what those negative or limiting beliefs are. Frankincense is great for spiritual protection, and lemon is great for cleansing and clearing and also refreshing as well. So once your candle is dressed, just light your candle. And just focusing in on the candle. And I have a spell chant. In this sacred light, I stand so free. Banish these beliefs that hinder me. With each flicker, let negativity part. I reclaim my power and a brand new start. Rosemary, cleanse and purify. Frankincense, shield, protect my sky. Lemon, bright, removes the stain. Negativity gone, no longer my chain. Candle burning, spirit soar, negative beliefs are here no more. I release the old and welcome the new. Empowered self, strength renew. As this flame's last dance does wane, I rise above no longer in pain. With gratitude I extinguish the light, a transformed spirit ready for flight. And just see an image of those negative beliefs just departing as the flame is burning them up and they're disintegrating around you. allow the candle to burn down. And in the next few days after you do the spell, you may find that you become more aware of maybe some beliefs. And you may also become aware that maybe you're just not doing things you used to do before, or saying things that you used to say before, because you're starting to change the way that you think. Find some positive beliefs to say instead. And even as you're watching the candle burning away those negative beliefs, instill more positive beliefs in their place. Try that spell, let me know how you go. You may find that you need to do this spell once a week while you're doing this kind of inner work and removing some of those limiting beliefs. If you're doing shadow work, you may want to do this spell once a week, once a month. It depends on how often you're focusing on changing those negative beliefs. If you are working on trying to find those negative beliefs so that you can change them in the future and have that work to do from a shadow work perspective, then do this spell on a regular basis to help you do that. It is part of that healing aspect. As you can see, it's a really simple spell, just that white candle and those 3 oils. If you want to do that petition, write down your limiting beliefs, stick it under the candle, and then allow the candle to burn down. It's really simple. If you want to learn Wicca and Witchcraft with me, I have a 12-month course called the Mystery Witch School 101 Academy. I do encourage you to enroll in that if you're really wanting to make Wicca and Witchcraft a part of your everyday life, that it's part of your spiritual path, it's part of your soul path, and you really want to feel that connection to your spirituality, to magic, to nature, and to your higher self and your witch self, your magical self. There's a link in the description field below this video that gives you more information about it. And if you want to know more than that, you can always flick me an email and use my contact form on my website. There's a link in the description field for how you can get that as well, and ask me any questions that you have about that course or anything else that I do. I also do one-on-one mentoring too, so if you're curious about that, I have information below that can help you find the right links to book a free clarity session with me so that we can have a talk about what it is that you need. If you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. I am Sandra from mysterywitchschool.com. Blessed be.